Hey there, Boot Zone here. This is a Sovereign 1800 watt BL100 kind of chopper, leaf chipper, mulcher thing. I've just been using it and I don't know how good the blades are. I thought it was an Allen key. It's a screwdriver. Let's get a screwdriver on it. Oh, don't tighten it, it's silly. What I'm doing here. There we go. What's really going on? There we go. Confusing myself. Oops. Don't have much left to play with here if this fails. It is. Let's try tightening it. Give me nothing left then. It's not doing it. Thing usually doesn't fail. This is a Posi 3 bit. It seems to be a better purchase. But let's try hitting it like that. No, it's not. It's just calming out. Let's try it with the appropriate bit first. Maybe that's what I should have used all along. They all just worked. So there's the blades. I'm gonna power wash it now. So why am I washing it today? Well, we've got a bit of sun, apart from me shading it right now. I'm going to put it away for winter. I've been using it today, so it's as good a time as any to clean it up, sharpen it up, and I'll spray a bit of oil in here as well. Maybe paint it on with a brush, and that'll put it to bed nicely. So here's the part number for these ones, 384985-4-00. Give them a bit of a lick now on this fellow. Get them too hot, do the other one a bit. I got it, it was pretty blunt. Feel a little burr the whole way up. The original blunt side though, it's not too great, so back looks good now, but the actual blade's not great. Better than it was. Like that one's come up okay. I'll give this one more go. So this is a relatively coarse oilstone. Just a little blob there. Just want to back it off is all. Yeah, that's the original wear side on the bottom there is pretty coarse. It's hard to get an action on it, to get it sharp. Doing anything won't hurt. Doing something. Yeah, it would be a lot of material to remove to get the top down. Let's try the other side. You can see the spots there where I hit it harder with the grinder. Yeah, it's coming pretty good. A bit of a spot there where I took too much off on the grinding wheel. That's it, I think almost hit it all. Give it one more go. Yeah, it's as good as, and it's got a burr the whole way along now there. So I don't know about this other side, it's not as good. Yeah, I'm cutting it down there. I'll fast forward and I'll just finish it. So on the coarse side, I've lifted it up just a tiny bit to get the edge straight all along, and I've caught a burr on it, so that means we're sharp. So I'll just flatten it off now, flatten the face a bit. This one's done, and I'll do the other one, get back in the machine with a load of oil all over everything. I've got some old black engine oil in here, in an old tin. This is ideal for this kind of stuff. Better than disposing of it and recycling it. It's better than using new stuff in place of it in a place like this, you know. So I'm not able to get the oil on the back somehow of the spindle here, or the cutter head, or whatever you want to call it. But that's okay. It doesn't need much. Just to keep a bit of rust off, really. So there's the sharpened up ones. Try and figure out, I think that's the bad side, so I'll start with that. I have a screw to replace the broken one. I don't have 4 of them, unfortunately, but it's just the way it is. The other ones are okay, they've been off at least once before this. This probably won't get used for another year, till next autumn, maybe spring, but unlikely. That oil will soak in there between everything. That's it. Happy with that. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.